Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing another programming example. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing an example of a menu-driven program. Now a menu-driven program is a program where the user gets many options to choose from, and depending on the option that the user chooses, a certain something happens. Now this program also further illustrates on how value and reference parameters work. It converts length from feet to inches and inches to meters. And meters to centimeters and vice versa. The program contains three functions: show choices, feet and inches to meters and cent, and meters and cent to feet and inches. The function show choices informs the user how they would like to use the program. The user has the choice to run the program as long as they wish. Now, the first thing you want to do in this program is write in a couple of constants and also a couple of function prototypes as well. So here we're writing constant double conversion, actually because it is a constant we're going to write in all capitals, constant double, inches underscore in underscore foot, and it's going to be equal to 12. And after that we write in constant int centimeters underscore in underscore meter. And I write in 100. Now after that, we're going to declare a function which is going to be void, and it's going to be called show choices. Now after we have already written in show choices, we can enter feet. We can write in void feet and inches to meters and centimeters. And here we're going to write in int f, comma, int in, comma, int and mt, comma, and int and ct. Now you see, we can see right here that we input the feet and inches to meters and centimeters. And here, for the meters and centimeters, we actually make them reference variables so that they receive the memory of the data, and they're not just copies. So if in case we need to return more than one value, we can do that. And now after this, we can write in void meters and centimeters to feet and inches. And after that, we can write in int mt, comma, int ct, comma, int f, comma, and int. Make sure you also put the and sign so that you can make it into a reference variable, because we're gonna have to return both values. So now we can write in in right here. And now that we are done, we can just fix this. We see that it's all good in the neighborhood right now. So now that we're done with those prototypes, we can come down to this int main. We can write in int feet, comma, inches. Then we write a semicolon, int meters, comma, centimeters, semicolon. Then we write in int choice. Now we can write in do show choices, parentheses, semicolon, cin choice, semicolon, cout, and do. And now we can switch choice now case 1, we can cout, enter feet and inches. And after that, we can write in cin feet, inches, semicolon, cout, and do. Now once we're done with that, we can write in right here feet and inches, 2 meters and centimeters, and then we plug in the values, feet, inches, comma, meters, comma, centimeters. Now once we're done with that, we can semicolon, cout, feet, foot, comma, inches. And then we put a parentheses and these ES. After that, we write in equal to, and we enter. We write in meters. Then we write in comma centimeters period. Then we write an endo. Next we put in break to break off from the switch statement. Now we can do the same thing for case 2. After the break, we enter. Case 2, CL, enter meters, and send it meters. Next we can CIN meters, centimeters, Cout, endo. After write that, we write in meters and centimeters to feet and inches. We plug in the values, of course. Meters, comma, centimeters, comma, feet, comma, inches. Now, once we're done with that, we enter Cout, meters, comma, centimeters, meters. And now after that we write in is equal to feet, foot, comma, inches. And there we go. And then we break. And now after that, after this break, we can write in case 99, break. And now the default is going to be cout invalid input period endo. And we do all of that while the choice is not equal to 99. Now once we're done with that, we can exit the function main. We write in void show choices, parentheses, curly brackets, cout, enter, endo. Next we can write in cout 1 to convert from feet and inches to meters and centimeters cout 2 to convert from meters and centimeters to feet and inches. Period. Endo. And after that, we can write in void feet and inches to meters and cent. Int f, comma, int in, comma, int and mt, comma, int and ct. Next we enter, put in some curly brackets, then we can write in int inches semicolon. Now inches is equal to f times inches in foot plus in semicolon. Now CT is equal to static cast int inches times conversion. Then we semicolon right there. Now MT is equal to CT divided by centimeters in meter, semicolon, and now CT is equal to CT modulo centimeters in a meter. Next, we can enter, write in void meters and centimeters to feet and inches. You can write in int MT, comma, int CT, comma, int and F, comma, int and IN. Now once we're done with that, we can write in some curly brackets, int centimeters now centimeters is equal to F times inches in a foot plus IN semicolon. Now CT is equal to static cast IN is equal to static cast int inches centimeters meters divided by conversion. Now you write in a semicolon at the end. Now F is equal to IN divided by inches in foot, semicolon, and now IN is equal to IN percentage sign inches in foot. Now we can finally run this program. That is a simple mistake, it seems. Let's pull it up, see what's wrong. Now you can see here it says invalid operands of type int and constant double. Now, since it says constant double, I should probably go up here and see, oh, why is this constant double? Now, what you should do is if you are ever multiplying integers with integers, always make sure that's always in the same value. It makes it a lot easier, trust me. And you tend to avoid errors like this, by doing that. So just try and make sure that you multiply and divide the same values by the same data types. So now if you run this program, let's see, I'm like about 6'1", so it says here I am 1 meter and 85 centimeters tall. That's good. Now let's say my little cousin is 2'5". Okay, wasn't paying attention. So, okay, so then I put in 1 again, 2, 5, right? There we go. He's only 733 centimeters tall. Now just make sure that each time you want to run a different value through the program, you always remember to put 1 or 2. Because if you're careless and put like 5, invalid input. Or if you're careless and instead you put the measurements first, for example 3'4", there you go. But this program works just fine, and it does what it's supposed to do. Now I hope you guys had a great time doing this video for me. I hope you all understood every little thing that I went over here, and I hope you guys have a great time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.